Hey y'all, I'm out here checking on my garden tonight. I finally have some Sugar Rush peach peppers coming in. I'm so excited. They're itty bitty though still, so it's gonna take them a bit, but let's check on everything else. Here's one. See it? And then there's my salsa peppers that got in here somehow. But my tomatoes aren't looking good, y'all. It's the end of the season. And this is what starts happening. It's getting really hot. Heirloom tomatoes don't like it hot. I'm probably gonna have to pull these in about a week or so. Especially this one. This one's not gonna make anything else. This one probably won't either. They're all on their way out. And it's fine, you know, I expected it. It always happens every summer around here. My peppers are doing great though. They love it. They love this kind of weather. My jalapenos are just loaded. Look at that. Is it time for me to harvest any of these guys? Nope. Wow. I came out here and got some parsley last night with my jalapenos growing in it. I still don't know how that happened. Guess I'm gonna go ahead and harvest these tomatoes that are ripe and have a little color. I've got some squirrels that have been taking bites out of my ripe tomatoes and just throwing them on the ground. Yeah, it's really irritating, but what can I do, you know? You guys have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.